up all the toys, put them in the box. Clean up, everyone can help. Happy little helpers on the shelf. Teddy on the shelf, nice and neat. Blocks in a line by your feet. Cars into the basket one by one. Cleaning up can be so fun. Clean up, don't delay. Let's make the mess go far away. Books back on the table, straight and